Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the big and on. What's up, PJ North Racing? We are back. We're kicking off this video a little different. We're going slot car racing. Check out, see what everybody's doing, catch up with everyone. A little different for us. Obviously, funny story, that's how I met Tyler. Brian took me to a slot car race the first time back in 2013. We're going to check out the Mini Million. I guess they call it the 125th million or whatever. So we're going to go check it out. Let's see what's up with these slot cars. This is another BW Promotions, PJ North. Oh, I show up, I roll up like I'm Brad Plord in the hardtop Nova with my pedal to the floor. You pick a lane, I don't care either way you lose. I just spray and vanish like I'm Johnny LaBooze. Whole team with us, shout out to the fam, bro. What's up? We're back. We're gonna do something crazy today. We are going to sand down this shifter and paint it blue. We're not gonna paint it today because we didn't order paint, but we're gonna sand it all the way down, and then we're gonna try to do basically the same stripes that are on the car on the shifter. We're just doing something different for the channel, man. We're just trying to do stuff, see what we can and cannot do. If it doesn't go well, obviously we'll just have it painted black again, or we'll order new side plates. It's fine. But that's what we're gonna try to do. So let's see if we can't sand this thing down. All right, so we got this. We're gonna take it apart and then sand it down and then paint it. So let's see how it goes. All right, we got it apart. Let's see if we can't see what it does, I guess. I don't really know. Let's just try the inside first, see if we make a mess. All right, that's first pass, so it looks like it should be okay. So we're gonna clean out this inside first and then go from there. So obviously, if you don't know, had the big ice storm here in Nashville, a bunch of bullshit. But, you know, we made it through, so we're very thankful. But it put a hole in my roof and damaged my trailer, so now we gotta have that fixed. So, what's up? Big day, kind of fun. As you guys may or may not know, we have partnered with the great folks at revelry1.com on our podcast, man. We do a segment every week presented by Revelry One. The good folks, obviously TJ and his whole team doing some really cool stuff. So they finally, we ordered some stuff and it's finally come. So let's check out what came from Revelry One. Oh, baby. He really did it. Okay, all right. Electric shirt here. First one. Love this. I actually love this color, man. This is like an old school color. I love that. What else we got here? Which one's this one? Oh, yeah. The Jeg Senior vibes. What do you think? Let's go. Bring back dry hops. All right. I love a good hoodie / crew neck. Roco. Lever Legends. Now, look, I've driven one stick car. I was terrible at it, but this sweatshirt's electric. Oh, yeah. This is top one, too, here. The Baylands Raceway in Fremont, California. Super cool. Again, I'm a big hoodie guy, so it looks even better on the back. Turned out awesome. So dope. And the last hoodie. Love it. Revelry One. Man, shout out to TJ and the whole team. A bunch of stuff for the show. We're excited, man. Support them. Revelry1.com. I love it. It's electric. I love all the stuff. I'm a huge vintage collection, as you guys know. I love that, but the new stuff that he's making is like vintage inspired, which is even cooler. So definitely check him out. Visit revelry1.com right now and use code B0T015 right here. This code right here on the website for 15% off your entire purchase. It's ready to go now. Visit revelry1.com. Let's get back after it. And I texted Matt and I was like, you know, normally I get PJ South, but new rendition, PJ West. I once said in a rap that I was Kanye East, so I guess this counts at some point. Shout out to Matt, though, for sending me my gauge cluster. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, Andy sent me some goodies. So shout out to my cluster. Oh, this looks awesome. It's going to be great.
Wire it up just like that. Plug it in. You'll love to see it. But how about this? The Emmons Motor Company. Oh yeah, this is going on the back of the car. Oh yeah, first piece. We love to see it. Fits right in there. Let's go. All right, this one fits. Shout out to Andrew Lindemood, who had the seat cover for me. I just got to clean it up some, and we'll do that here. And then yeah, man, just on the hunt for another seat. Yeah, cleaned up pretty nice. Let's go. One seat in. You'll love to see. All right, Henderson Race Shop. I chatted with Troy, and I'm interested to see these. We talked about this on the podcast. Some people sent me this dude's information, and he makes a ton of stuff, so I'm excited to see if it works out for me. All right, so I bought the seat mounts and the seat stabilizer, basically, that goes to the roll mount. So they're expensive in theory, right? I mean, you could buy cheaper stuff, but this stuff is specifically made for the A-body Chevys and all that stuff. So, like, he makes them for all types of frames. Like, there's like 50 different on there that he makes. Obviously, he makes them all himself in shop and in-house, so it's pretty cool. So we're going to see how this goes with the seats. So obviously this is the stabilizer, right, that goes to the back of the seat that you have to have in order to mount this to the roll cage. So you kind of drill a hole, right, and you can adjust it. It comes with this 8-inch bar, and then you kind of go from there. So pretty cool. Yeah, so you can see here they're obviously well made. All comes with everything you need. Mounts to the floor, and the original floor mounts, and then you bolt it to the seat. So pretty cool. All right, so that's kind of how these go in. They just bolt straight in, and then you got to mount the seat, obviously, but we got some finagling to do, so we're working on that now. I lied. This is the way it goes. I had to rewatch the video. I had it backwards. This looks much more correct.
What? What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
What's up? Man, it's another day. I think it's day, I don't know, feels like day 400. But we're making progress. We're going to put the gauges in today, and then we're going to mount the seat. So we're making progress. One day at a time. Let's get after it. I think I forgot to mention, too, Super Bowl Sunday. Let's go Hawks. 12's up, baby. Check. We'll check back at the end of the video, see how I feel.
As well, and they get a knockdown as Witherspoon came under pressure, and Uchenna is going the distance for a touchdown.
It won't beat me yet. Let's go. Got it in there. Shout out to Matt for hooking that up. It almost beat me, but it didn't this time. Man, a lot of trial and error, but we got that baby in there now. Let's rip. Let's go. All right, last piece of the puzzle. We got to put the what they call strap, I guess, more or less, is a bar that goes to the roll cage to make sure the seat's good. So, about to do that. We did it. Seat is completely installed now. Got her mounted and everything. You'd love to see it. One down. What's up? We are back. Another day. We made a lot of progress yesterday, and the Seahawks won the Super Bowl. So all is right in the world. You know what I mean? We're going to get after it today. We're going to try to mount, I think, the shifter. We're going to put some, I got to put the trim back on there, some other things. So let's see how it goes. Let's keep it going. Also, I don't know if y'all know, but I'm a beef jerky connoisseur. I've been eating beef jerky for as long as I can remember. I've tried all of them, right? This right here is number 2 on my list. Uncle Mike's is number 1. This is number 2. But I want to know what y'all like. So let me know in the comments what your favorite beef jerky is. And if anybody says Jack Link's, they're immediately getting blocked. All right, got those 2 in. So that's mounted. So we're just waiting until I find a seat. So if anybody knows, I'm looking for 19 or an 18-inch 41 series or an 18-inch 55 series. If you got one. So let me know. Boom. Back in. And just like that, we have a shifter. You love to see it. Got to wire up the solenoid. We should be good. You know it's a great day when one of those arrives. It's the last few pieces of this puzzle. think we're missing 2 other things that are coming from Amazon that Jegs didn't have, but we got the door jamb switch, so we got to wire that up. Got one for each door. I got something special for that. And then what else did we get? Oh, that's for the one of the gauges that needed that was missing. And I think, oh yeah, the radio. All right, big accomplishment here. Door jamb lights. You'll love to see it. Let's go. Another day working on this thing. I think we got all the light stuff wired, so we're just gonna finish up wiring some stuff. I'm finished putting this radio in. We're not wiring the radio up yet. All that stuff will come later. I'll finish that, but I want to get that at least in the dash so it's blocked off. And then, you know, just kind of keep making progress. I'd love to tidy it up and say we're done with wiring. I got some more Deutsch clips from Nitrous Outlet, so I'm gonna finish the fuel pump today too. That'll be done. And then we can finish the gauges, locking those down, and that should be a good day. All right, we got a radio. So the bezel they sent really isn't for that, I don't think. They didn't really do a great job with the bezel, but it turned out okay. So I'm cool with it right there. Like I said, it's not wired up, but it's in there, so it's covered up. On to the next thing. My dad made me a little mount for the dial-in controller, so get that painted. All right, gauges are mounted. It's got those brackets on it. That one's got that, so we're in there. What's up? It's another day. Feels like so many days, but it's been a long update, but it feels like we made a lot of progress, so we're continuing to make a lot of progress, but a little bit at a time. So we're going to just check off a few more things. We're going to try to finish up just a few small things that we can right now. And then I'm going to put the wheels back on so we can start to kind of look about scaling it here very soon. So let's get after it. All right. Boom. Door jamb light's still working, and how about it? Boom. Dial-in board there. Seems to be okay. All right. That's it for this video. We got a lot going on still, obviously, but gauges are in. This door jamb and the driver door jamb works. Kind of cool. They're on opposite sets of LED strips, which is kind of cool. Yeah, man, we got to finish. I got the dial-in board controller in there, so we're gonna get the wheels and tires on there and get it down, and we'll try to start scaling and all that stuff, but that'll be for next video. So until next time, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. You know what to do. Peace.
Once they ride on the dance floor, you've been waiting all winter long, hearing them go on and on, just so you can prove them all wrong. Only thing that matters is who turns the figure.